हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू शिक्षा प्लस। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10 इंग्लिश पोएट्री के चैप्टर नंबर 7 द स्लीपिंग पोर्टर के सॉल्यूशंस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस वेरी ब्रीफली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मच लोड हैव द पोर्टर ऑन हिज बैक? आंसर, द पोर्टर कैरीज अ 25 किलो लोड ऑन हिज बैक। दिस सिग्निफिकेंट वेट हाइलाइट्स द फिजिकल डिमांड्स ऑफ हिज जॉब एंड हिज स्ट्रेंथ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट डिस्टेंस डज द पोर्टर कवर इन द स्नोज ऑफ विंटर? Answer, the porter covers a distance of 6 miles in the winter snow. This journey demonstrates his endurance and the challenging conditions he faces in his work. Question number 3, who is challenging the mountain? Answer, the porter is challenging the mountain. His perseverance in carrying heavy loads over difficult terrain symbolizes human determination against nature's obstacles. Question number 4, what type of cap is he wearing? Answer, the porter wears a dirty, sweaty black cap. This detail emphasizes his hard work and the harsh conditions he endures. Question number 5, what type of smell does the porter emit? Answer, the porter emits a sour, sulfur-like smell. This odor likely results from his intense physical exertion and the challenging environment in which he works. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, what is there on the cliff? Answer, a hut is situated on the cliff. This detail highlights the challenging and remote location where the porter works and possibly rests. Question number 2, what is the mother searching? Answer, the mother is searching for nettles and vines. This suggests she is foraging for wild plants like for food or medicinal purposes, indicating the harsh living conditions in the mountain area. Question number 3, who is the hero of the mountain? Answer, the porter is described as the hero of the mountain. This title acknowledges his strength, endurance, and crucial role in navigating the difficult mountain terrain. Question number 4, what is meant by lid of night? Answer, the lid of night is a poetic description of the star-filled sky. This metaphor compares the night sky to a lid covering the earth with stars as its decoration. Question number 5, who is reigning over the rich kingdom of sleep? Answer, the porter is said to be reigning over the rich kingdom of sleep. This metaphor suggests that after his exhausting day's work, the porter falls into a deep, well-deserved sleep linked to ruling over a vast, peaceful realm. Long answer questions. Question number 1, the poet has focused on trials and tribulations of the porter. Elucidate. Answer, the poem The Sleeping Porter highlights the porter's daily struggles and hardship. It portrays his physical challenges carrying heavy loads across treacherous mountain terrains in harsh weather conditions. The porter's perseverance in the face of these difficulties symbolizes human resilience and determination. His journey represents the broader human experience of overcoming obstacles and finding meaning in hard work. The poet emphasizes how the porter's actions rather than his circumstances define him. By focusing on the porter's trial, the poem celebrates the dignity of labor and the strength of the human spirit in confronting life challenges. Question number 2, a mother is searching for nettles and vines. Who is she? Why is she searching such things? Answer, the mother mentioned in the poem is likely a local woman living in the mountainous region. She is searching for nettles and vines, which are wild plants commonly found in such areas. Nettles, despite their stinging properties, are nutritious and can be used as food when properly prepared. Vines might be used for various purposes, including as food or for making ropes and baskets. Her search for these plants suggests a life of subsistence where foraging is necessary for survival. This detail in the poem highlights the harsh living condition in the mountain area and the resourcefulness of its inhabitants in using what nature provides. Question number 3, determination, hard work, and continuity win the race. Do you agree? Write your opinions with the reference to the poem The Sleeping Porter. Answer, the poem The Sleeping Porter indeed exemplifies how determination, hard work, and perseverance lead to success. The porter's daily struggle against harsh conditions and physical challenges demonstrates these qualities. His continuous effort to carry heavy loads across difficult terrain regardless of weather or personal discomfort shows remarkable determination. The poem portrays him as a hero of the mountains, suggesting that his hard work earns him respect and admiration. This aligns with the idea that consistent effort and resilience are key to overcoming obstacles and achieving one's goal. The porter's ability to find peace in sleep after his grueling day further emphasizes the satisfaction that comes from dedicated work. Overall, the poem reinforces the notion that sustained effort and determination are crucial for success in any challenging endeavor. Composition. Question number 1, write a letter to your mother explaining how labor never goes in vain. Answer, dear mom, I hope this letter finds you well. I have been thinking a lot about what we learned in class recently, especially about the value of hard work. I wanted to share some thoughts with you about how labor never goes in vain. We read a poem called The Sleeping Porter that really made me think. It's about a porter who carries heavy loads up a mountain important every day. Even though his work is tough, the poem describes him as a hero. This made me realize that every effort we make, no matter how small, contributes to our growth and success. I have noticed this in my own life too. Remember when I struggled with math last year? All those extra hours of study and practice seemed endless at the time, but they paid off. My grades improved, and more importantly, I gained confidence in my ability to overcome challenges. The poem also reminded me of how hard you work for our family. I see now that your efforts, even when they seem routine, are shaping our lives in important ways. It's not just about the immediate result, but also about the character and skills we build through persistent effort. I have learned that labor might not always bring instant reward, but it always teaches us something valuable. Whether it's patience, resilience, or new skills, every bit of hard work contributes to who we become. Thank you for always encouraging me to do my best. I appreciate all that you do more than ever. Love, your name. Word study. Dictionary use. Write the meanings of the words given below. Rule, law, कानून. A luggage carrier, porter, coolie. Curse, evil words, sharp. Under, below, नीचे. Consisting of two, made up of two, दो से बना हुआ. Spot, small mark, दाना. Write the antonym for each of the following words. Load, unload. Hill, field. Honest, dishonest. Correct, incorrect. Far, near. Dull, sharp. डर्टी, क्लीन, नेचुरल, अननेचुरल। और आज का ये सॉल्यूशन वीडियो यहीं समाप्त होता है। जल्द लौटेंगे एक और नई सॉल्यूशन वीडियो के साथ। तब तक कीप लर्निंग।